Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on, let's say you want to buy a website and you're looking to get some details on the website, on the domain. So there are a few simple things we can do with that. Let's say I want to buy this domain, hello chat. Let's say I'm going here to Ahrefs. You guys familiar with this tool? It's pretty much useful tool to check different things on the website, especially on backlinks. So I can see here that the domain rating is 15, and the backlinks says to me there are 225. Domain rating 15 is not so bad, not really bad. It could be good actually. So it's something that we can consider. And then I'm going here also on the backlinks that the domain basically has, and let's just run a quick check on that and see what basically tells me what are the backlinks. I can see this backlink here. I'm not too sure about this backlink so much. Say it gives me another one in here. We can run I'm just gonna run a few of them. This one also, I'm not so sure about it. Something from Indonesia. And then let's do just another one. So it just takes a little bit of time. This is from WhatsApp. So basically you get the point how basically just to run and check basically what's the domain, what the website tells me, what basically the website tells me on the backlinks, what backlinks of the website. So just as on, you're checking it and you can see what there is there. And now there's another thing another thing that you can check, how long the website exists. It's called Wayback machine. So it tells me that it's from 2000 till 2025. So it means that the website domain exists pretty much long time, but here I can see that there are also some few years that it wasn't been exist. So it means that the domain actually exists for pretty long time. So that is another indication that tells me, hey, this may be something to consider and rechecking it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If it gives you anything, have a great day. See you later.